Welcome to ARCS Private Limited, your trusted compliance partner in India. Are you planning to import, manufacture, or sell telecom equipments in India, such as IoT gateways, routers, switches, modems, and base stations? Then this video is for you. Without TEC MTCTE certification, your telecom products can face custom clearance issues, market restrictions, heavy penalties, or even complete rejection in India. In this video, we will explain TEC certification step by step. What it is, who needs it, product covered under MTCTE, required documents, the certification process, timeline, common challenges, and how ARCS Private Limited can help you to get TEC approval smoothly and on time. So let's start the introduction of TEC certification in India. The Telecommunication Engineering Center or TEC is a part of the Department of Telecommunications, Government of India. It develops technical standards and specifications for telecom equipment and is responsible for evaluating, testing, and certifying products before they can be sold in India under MTCTE scheme. MTCTE stands for Mandatory Testing and Certification of Telecom Equipment. This mandatory scheme ensures products comply with India's essential requirements including safety, electromagnetic compatibility, security, and interoperability as notified in Gazette Notification GSR 1131. If we talk about the roles and responsibilities of TEC certification, then it plays a critical role in MTCTE process. It manages the full life cycle of certification, including application processing evaluation, testing coordination, certification issuance, modification, and renewal, all through the online MTCTE portal. It develops standard and technical specs, coordinate testing, issues certificates, track modification and renewal. Why TEC certification is important? TEC certification is essential because only certified products can be sold, imported, or used in India. This ensures user and infrastructure safety, telecom equipment interoperability, compliance with technical standards, protection against electrical and electromagnetic risk, security integrity of telecom networks. But the main question is, who needs MTCTE certification? TEC certification applies to OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, importers and dealers, foreign brands and authorized Indian representative, vendors and suppliers of telecom equipments. Now let's talk about different MTCTE certification schemes. Under MTCTE, there are different certification schemes including Journal Certification Scheme, GCS, Full Testing, Simplified Certification Scheme, SCS, Reduced Testing, Provisional Certification, Temporary Approval, valid up to 2 years, Regular Certification, Full Compliance, valid up to 10 years. How to register on MTCTE portal? To start the process, you need to register on MTCTE portal. Choose a unique user ID, meet password and security requirement, use a valid email and mobile number, verify your account through OTP. Complete CAPTCHA to confirm you are a real user. MTCTE application workflow. Here's the typical MTCTE application workflow. Login and start a new application. Submit product details, model, brand and interface. Upload bill of material BOM. TEC conduct a pre-check review. Pay government fees through Bharat Kosh. Submit or perform testing. TEC review and queries. Certification issuance, approval. Let's go through the list of documents required during the certification process. Application name, designation, company legal name, PAN and TAN details, registered office and communication address, authorization letter, Certification of Incorporation, Partnership Deed, MOA and AOA, GST or Udyam Registration, and for foreign OEM, AIR Authorization Letter, MOU or Agreement between OEM and AIR, affidavits if applicable, foreign OEM details and manufacturing location. MTCTE fee payment. TC certification fees include administrative and evaluation fee. You can pay online through Bharat Posh, NTRP portal, or offline through NEFT or RTGS. Once paid, you can track your payment and download the official receipt. Timeline of TEC certification. Typical timeline for MTCTE certification are mandatory certification 60 days, voluntary certification 20 to 30 days, voluntary security certification 60 to 90 days, CAS SMS certification 90 to 120 days. Now let's talk about testing options. There are two options for testing. If you already have lab reports, you submit self-declaration and PDF test reports. If you don't have lab reports, choose accredited labs, CAB or RTES, coordinate testing parameters, manage samples, and pay testing fees directly. Modification and renewal. Need changes after certification? You can modify TEC certification for software or hardware update, BOM changes or associate models. ERCS also support renewal service to maintain compliance. At ERCS Private Limited, we provide end-to-end support for TEC certification, from product evaluation and documentation to lab coordination and final approval. Our expert team helps you avoid delays, reduce compliance risks, and achieve faster market entry. If you need TEC certification for your telecom products, connect with ERCS Private Limited today. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay updated with the latest compliance requirement in India.